Today, we are doing this.
1 avocado, 2 avocados, let's go make some guacamole. Guac. 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 Guacamole. Guac. Delicious. Guac. 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 Guacamole. Guacamole. I want some guacamole. 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 Delicious guacamole. 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 So tasty guacamole. 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 I dream of guacamole. Guacamole. Guac. Onions, jalapenos, and lime go well with avocado, cilantro, black pepper, and salt. Give more flavor to my guac. Onion powder and cumin will spice up my guacamole. Now just add a small tomato and then mix that guacamole. Guacamole, guacamole. I want some guacamole, guacamole, guacamole. Delicious guacamole, guacamole, guacamole. Amazing guacamole, guac. Recipe is done. Now I'll eat my guacamole. Guacamole, guacamole. I dream of guacamole, guacamole, guacamole. I can't live without guacamole.
Here's how you remove all the grease from your meat. Grab a double paper towel and do exactly like that. See how the paper towel remove all the grease? In my case, I use 3 double paper towels. Now look at this. Came out so delicious and so soft. I just love it.
Guac recipe is done. Now I'll eat my guacamole. Guacamole, guacamole. I dream of guacamole, guacamole, guacamole. I can't live without guacamole.